Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, if you have not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. Also, sorry for making this video very late. I had an issue with the channel which I'm trying to work out. So this is why this video is getting to you very late. But now let's start with this week, where this gold will be moving for this week. First, we will start with the trend, which is an uptrend move. You clearly can see an higher highs and higher lows. One, you can also see that this price is also trading above our 10 period simple moving average. Now, you all know that as long as your price is trading above your moving average, all what you would want to do is look for a setup to go ahead and not take this trade. So, gold, we are actually on a bullish move, and more bullish move is to come. So, this targets gold needs to take out this ice here. You can see, which is a level of 19, or let's watch out for a level of 2000. So, definitely gold will continue to get a bullish move to this month's end. Even when we enter the month of February, we would also get a bullish move. So we should watch out for a level of 2000 for gold to actually hit before maybe a good amount of pullback will be made or drop. And you can also see that DXY is dropping and more drop is to come on DXY, coupled with the fundamental news, everything, which is actually not coming out fine. So I mean, with that, DXY will drop, and once DXY drops, then definitely there will be a bullish move on gold. You all know that once there is a drop in DXY, any other things you are, be it your commodity or your PSC or your currency that you are trading to USD or DXY, will definitely go bullish if DXY is dropping. So more bullish move is to come on gold, right? So expect more bullish move. This week that just finished, we actually closed bullish. So this week that we are predicting for, we would also close bullish on gold. So this week that we are predicting for, gold should give us a bullish move. Now let's go to the daily time frame. So this is the daily time frame, by the way. So let's start from here, which is an impulse move or an higher highs, then a pullback, a new highs, and then a pullback here. If you should take a look at this would be seen as a new highs and a pullback. This is the previous highs, by the way. So a new highs has been made that took out this previous highs, and now a little bit of a pullback has come to test this level, this our previous highs level that price took out. So now this week we'll be expecting more bullish move. So we should be expecting more uptrend move on gold, by the way. And we can also see we are still trading above our 10 period simple moving average. And by the way, a pullback has just been made. So guys, expect more impulse move upward on gold. So let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. So basically, price is still actually rolling up. So let's see if this 4-hour time frame pullback is over, which I believe is over. By the way, it has tapped our 10 period simple moving average. So we expect it to actually bounce off from here. So more bullish move on gold for the week.